guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make shakshuka, a really delicious Middle Eastern dish, in just 5 minutes with just a couple ingredients from Trader Joe's. So this can be great for breakfast, dinner, lunch, anytime you really want it. So let's go over all the ingredients that you need to make this. So first thing you're going to need is harissa paste. It's this really good hot chili pepper paste. It's very spicy, and this will serve as a base for the shakshuka. It is a seasonal item though, so if you really like this recipe, make sure you stock up on it, and they have it right now, so go get some. The next item you're gonna need is 3 or 4 vine-ripened tomatoes, some olive oil, a little bit of salt, and 3 or 4 eggs. And last but not least, a little bit of parsley for garnish. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab your 4 tomatoes, and we're gonna cut them up into medium-sized pieces. Make sure to remove the core. After you're finished cutting up the tomatoes, grab a frying pan, just a little bit of olive oil in it. Heat the oil up, and we're gonna saute the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. While the oil's heating up, let's cut up some parsley for garnish. And we'll just save that parsley until later. After the oil heats up, add the tomatoes, and you're gonna saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. While the tomatoes are sauteing, you can add a little bit of salt. Turn up to medium-high heat. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Once the tomatoes are done sauteing, now we're gonna grab the harissa paste, and we're gonna add a whopping tablespoon. More or less depending on how spicy you want this to be. I like it spicy, so I'm adding a good amount. And we're just gonna stir the paste in. It's gonna be so good. It's already starting to smell really amazing. Once it's well stirred in, we're gonna cover it. Just to let the flavors mix in well with the tomato. So after it's done simmering, we're just gonna give it a little mix. Look at that beautiful red color. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Turn down the heat just a little bit to medium. And now we're gonna grab our eggs, and we're gonna crack them directly into the sauce. There we go. Then we're gonna cover it and cook it for about 2.5 minutes. Just let the eggs poach in the sauce. It's gonna be so good. After about 2.5 minutes, your eggs should be poached in the tomato sauce. Now, we're gonna garnish with a little bit of parsley. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper too, to make it extra pretty. And there we go. Oh yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me make shakshuka. It's as easy as that. Look how delicious that is. I'm probably gonna dip some bread in this or something.